Hey buddy, Sam back once again, and yes, we're looking at this one today, the TicWatch Pro, the 4G LTE non-Verizon model. Yeah, so this is the one that has made it to the UK, and I want to say thank you to the company TicWatch for actually contacting me and sending this out to me for the actual video for today. Sorry it's a little bit late. It was meant to be done just before Christmas, but unfortunately I got sick. As you can probably tell, I've had no content on my channel recently, and that's why. So on here, at the bottom of the box, it just tells you with regards to what it is. The model is the WF 11018, and it is the elegant black version. And it says what's inside the box. So as you can see there, we're getting the TicWatch Pro 4G, the USB charging dock, and a user manual. On the back of it, it tells you with regards to what it is. So you get a layered display with a 2 to 30 day battery life. Oh, that's a bit of a long one, isn't it? It says here at the bottom of it, it says the 2-day battery life is entirely in smart mode. Up to 30-day battery life is in the essential mode. So yeah, that's probably what it is. So basically you're going to get a normal 2-day battery life if you use it as a normal smartwatch. But if you use it as like a basic watch, just counting your steps and whatnot, you should get up to 30 days. It does connect to a cellular network, which I don't think it's going to last 2 days with a cellular network. It runs Wear OS by Google, obviously Android Wear back in the day. The heart rate tracking sensor and the step tracking. It has got Google Pay with NFC payments built into it. The GPS tracker. We've got IP68 water and dust resistant. A Google Assistant built in there, which we'd expect. Speaker support, fantastic, and 1,000+ watch faces on the with Google Play. That's pretty cool as well. I think that's about it. Nothing else to show you there. Maybe have a look here. So it is a premium smartwatch with a dual layer display. It is a patented layered display technology, enables dual layer screens to optimize battery life and outdoor visibility. And yeah, we've done them GPS and our health sensors. So let's have a look what's inside this box, shall we? Hey. There it is. So let's slide this off there, and you see there, TicWatch Pro. I think people are going to ask with regards to what CPU it's rocking. I believe it's the Snapdragon Wear 2100, which I think is the older version of I think the newer one's the 3100. But they've got their own little sensors in here that apparently will improve that battery life, will make it a lot better than what it was back when it first came out. So we've got Unpacking front. So hey there, thanks for your purchase. Due to the system updates, your battery life may be depleting quicker than anticipated. And I got 2 of those. Thank you very much, TicWatch. Here's the actual watch itself. It's a nice looking watch, isn't it? Ain't bad. Ain't half bad at all. So stick that there really quickly off to the side. We also get our little charging dock. So it is a proprietary charging solution with little pogo pins and USB there. Bit of a shame it's not a Qi charging one where you can stick it on any Qi charger. But hey ho, you know, can't really ask for everything, can you? You get the little quick guide, which is pretty thick. I think there's quite a lot of languages in there. Yeah, there's loads and loads of languages. And you get your little bit of food for the trolls. There you go. There's your silica for your trolls. Do not eat at home. Do not eat them at home. So I tell you, I'm just going to unbox it now and we'll come straight back to it. So give me 2 seconds. Alright, so here is the actual watch itself. And as you can see there, that's like the LCD screen. Again, it's hard to kind of show you if a guy kind of activated on there. There you go. So it's like a retro, old style kind of like, let's say, an Casio. It looks like one of those old, just basic LCD displays, just black and white. It has got your steps. It's got the time and the date, the battery life. Yeah, so again, it's just a normal watch, and that should last you up to 30 days. Then when you turn the screen on, it goes into full-on smart mode. So you actually get a full Android Wear watch. So I've got no notifications there. If I swipe across, it's got regards to what steps are, what the weather's like, heart rate, etc., etc. So if we go all the way back, you just have to go like that. Here we go. It's got a little bit slower, some. Pulling from this side, it's regards to good evening. You can start a workout, set a timer, what the weather is, etc., etc. Swipe down from the top. We are going to get there. We're going to get to our notification panel, toggles and whatnot. Anyway, I'm not here to kind of do the full review, it's just an unboxing. And again, so there's that, and then you tap it, or you can turn the screen and you get your full AMOLED. That's pretty cool. On the back of the actual watch, you get your heart rate sensor, with little pogo pins, and that's for the actual charger, which is here. So with this one, what you do is you just kind of slam it on, and it goes on there. So as I'm not a massive fan of it having to be like a proprietary one, because if you lose that, you have to buy one from them directly. But what I do like is the fact that it just sticks on there, so you ain't going to be losing it anytime soon. That's what I like about that one. And again, on the other side, it is just a basic USB. So plug it in, stick it at the side of your bed every night. Whenever you want to charge it, just kind of go up, slam it on, and boom, it'll start charging for you. So let's take a look around here. You get these two little buttons, and you can actually program one of the buttons, I believe. I think that's the microphone there. So on this one, you just basically tap it, brings the watch on for you. Tap it again, it brings up your whole settings. So, boom. Now, I believe on some of the old TicWatches, you can used to have like a little slidey thing here. That'd be cool if they could bring that back, because I don't like touching the screens, if I'm being honest with you. So you see there, it's got the eSIM assistant. So you go into it. This is where you can actually set it up with regards to your network. So again, we'll come back to that in a future video. And then you click the bottom one, and this is where you can pre-program it. So this one's pre-programmed right now to go to like a run. So it's kind of going to go exercising. And can you give it a device location? Yeah, you can have it. And can you use sensors? Yeah, why not? And boom, let's go do an outdoor run. When I go back, just click back. Bob's your uncle. So as you said, it's got Google Pay. And swiping up, I've got notifications. Swiping down, so let's go into my settings. Here are the settings themselves. And there's not loads and loads, which you don't want loads. It's a watch. You don't want it to be a full smartphone, do you? Yeah. I mean, all in all, I think it's a really nice looking watch. It feels very nice in terms of the actual build material. It feels premium. It's not super thick, but it's not a chunky monkey, but it's not like a stick, like a stick insect either. So it's kind of like a crossway between some other smartwatches. An example, I think it's a little bit thinner than my Samsung watch. You can probably see this one here. In fact, they might be about the same, to be fair. But it's a little bit thicker than the current one I'm off wrist right now, which is the GT Watch 2 from Huawei. But yeah, that's been the unboxing and the quick first look at the TicWatch Pro 4G LTE edition. And again, this is now in Europe, so you can actually pick it up in countries such as the UK, Germany. There are some other ones. I will put a link down below. And once again, I want to say thank you to TicWatch for contacting me to actually send this out to me for the unboxing today. And yeah, stay tuned, because I'm going to be trying to get the full review done within the next couple of days. And happy days. That's been my unboxing. Any questions with regards to this or anything else, you know what to do by now. You can hit me up in a comment down below. Do not forget to smash that like button. It is very much appreciated. And go on, subscribe. It's free. And it's 5 to 10. Cool. Anyway, people, if you are on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, any social media, you know what to do. I am there at samjpullen as well. Anyway, I'm going to get away. I'm going to say thanks for watching for the final time. And you'll hopefully see me. Well, probably won't see me, but you'll definitely hear me. And I'm playing with gadgets in my next video. Cheers, everyone.